Alright traders, welcome. Today is 19th of February 2020. We are now live day trading WTI crude oil market, April contract 2020. At this moment we are on the buy position, so it doesn't look promising because we are already minus 7 ticks. So I just sent out my signal a few minutes ago. Then from this signal you can see we go for buy long at 53.07 and target TP at 53.19 and 53.26. So with the SL at T7. So at this moment we are still in minus. Once at the moment the entry been filled. So let's wait, and hopefully the price will go towards the targeted TP area. So this one IQ at 19. Alright, so IQ at this 53.19. So this moment let's wait and see. So from the other market as well, the NG natural gas still waiting for crude oil. Hopefully this one will be a quick one. Let's wait whether it will be a quick, maybe within few seconds, I'm not sure. So that's what we are hoping, and let's wait. I will pause this video and resume back later on. So by the way, the stop loss is this purple line, so you can see here at 53.87. so 87 or 86 from Telegram channel as well. I did mention 52.87 because we did enter at 53.07. and let's wait. Hopefully everything will be fine. Still in the minus territory at this moment, minus 2 ticks. The candle already turned blue, which is a green. Some of you are using green, and it's a positive indication, and compared to the red one or gray is break even. So let's take a look on the volume. There's a high volume waiting at 53.16, 53.15. Okay, doesn't looks good. Just need to be careful. Why suddenly there's a very high volume at 53.16 and 15? Okay, now the volume reduced down, so I think I need to send out this message to my subscriber to see is there any impact, or just need to be careful. Okay, send out. So now we are on the positive 4 ticks. Just to need be careful about the 15 and 16. Now still 15 is quite high. I'm not sure why. In case the price remove back, then it's better to exit the market immediately, or it means to clear, to go flat in case, because today there will be inventory, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe, I'm not sure. Okay, there's still high volume now waiting at 53.14, so I need to be aware. If in case the price reverse back, then I move my stop loss to 53 or 52 or 52.98 should be there. So I need to advise change SL to 52 3 50 52.98, just in case if the price move back. I need to clear out for myself as well in case the price move back. Okay, I already move my stop loss. So you can see this purple line move from this 53.87.86 to 52.97. Okay, let's hope everything's is fine. Okay, we almost now we are at 53.16. Okay, there's a high volume waiting at 53.20. which is a good indication. We will exit our position any moment. It was a good one. Okay, we hit the TP. We hit. It was a quick one. So let's take a look how long this trade will take. So we have only one entry, one trade today, and we did enter the market at 10:20 my local time, New York time 9:20. So this is day trading US session. So about 8 minutes for us to fill in this entry, and we did exit with $120 in profit, and the profit is much more compared to the current situation. It break through the nearest high, and yep, it was a good one. I should put the TP more higher, but it was a good one. $120 for a quick 8 minutes job as a day trading for a day salary. So don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, share, comment. There's a few link in description. Feel free to click on it, might be helpful for you guys. So this is how I do trading based on market paradox, epic signal type. So that's all for today. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.